Bay leaves are a cheap common herb which famed in ancient Greece and Rome. Fresh or dried bay leaves are used in cooking for their distinctive flavor and fragrance. But they are also used in medical treatments, in aromatherapy, and herbal treatments for various skin and respiratory conditions. They effectively release the airways, control cholesterol levels, reduce stress, treats insomnia, and regulates high blood pressure. The uses of bay leaves include grinding the leaves into a spice to flavor soups and stews, but the leaves are most commonly added in the whole form as a flavoring for certain dishes and are then removed or used as a garnish. Whole leaves are not commonly consumed. Burn a dry bay leaf in an ashtray and leave the room for 10 minutes. Make sure you close the windows, a breeze could knock it over. Keep the tray away from anything flammable like paper, wood, or linens, and make sure you're not burning it under a smoke detector. When you come back, you will notice a completely different atmosphere and you will smell the pleasant, relaxing smoke. The flames will release substances which enhance the atmosphere and create positive energy flow. Breathe in deeply and let the smell calm your body and spirit. Bay leaves are also one of the most powerful cockroach repellents. If insects have invaded your kitchen or lawn, use bay leaves to repel them. You can hardly find a better solution because they are perfectly safe to use even around small kids or pets. The powerful smell of burning bay leaves works wonders when it comes to repelling cockroaches or similar insects. You can also put some bay leaves in every corner of your house or garden. Since they are non-toxic, you can also use them in the kitchen where you store food. The fumes of bay leaves are highly unpleasant to many insects, and routine practice will drive them out of infested spaces for good. Although both dry and fresh bay leaves can be used for the purpose, dry ones are more effective because their smell is stronger. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. If you have any questions about this video, leave it to the comment box. We will try to respond as soon as possible. For more health tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel.